The only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary. Vidal Sassoon. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a new vocabulary, a new word which can help you to improve your spoken English. In this video, we are going to discuss a new word with its meaning and usage. If you watch GrammarENG for the first time, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for our daily updates. Here you can see vocabulary, phrases, idioms, proverbs and English grammar. Let's get into the lesson. The word today we are going to deal is bump. Bump. It means to hit somebody or something by accident when you are moving. When you are moving by accident, if you hit somebody or something, it is called bump. In other words, to hit something against or on something by accident. If you collide something against or on something by accident, it is called bump. Look at the example sentence. She bumped into a motorcycle because she wasn't looking where she was going. It means she collided into a motorcycle because she wasn't looking where she was going. So, the meaning for the word bump is to knock against something with a forceful jolt. See the example sentence. I bumped my knee on the edge of the table. I bumped my knee on the edge of the table. It means I hit my knee on the edge of the table. There was a jerk as the bus bumped against something. There was a jerk as a bus bumped against something. There was a jerk because the bus collided against something. This is the meaning of this sentence. So, bump means bang, collide, hit or crash. These are the words which have the same meaning for bump. That is the synonyms for the word bump or bang, collide, hit and crash. In this video, we have discussed the meaning, usage and synonyms for the word bump. Hope you like this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.